what is your up and hold?
Anything above 38.80 at this point. Now, I want you to look at this, Damon, why I got this, all right? So if you guys look, this was previous high. It came back all the way up to here. So now this is a cup, okay? Which means if this is the cup, this is now going to be support. This is where it was once resistance and it broke through. Now is support. And this is why when Paul and I were talking earlier, we said as long as it stayed above 38.80, you're good to the upside. Now we've got a couple things. So you've got 38.80, right? You've got the 21, and it's respecting the 9, okay? So we've got a lot of good things going for it. But again, the 38.80 was everything and it stayed up there. Now we're getting new highs. So now if I'm looking at support, right, technically it's 39 now for support, right? If you guys look at it, if it was a tight support, but you guys got a little bit of room. And the reason that is you can see right here and right here, all of this. So now 39 is technically the new support level. Everybody see it?
Yep.
As long as it respects this 9 and it just keeps on climbing, this is beautiful. And just so you know, if you guys are scalping, I never hold anything below the 21, which is right here. Just so you know, Damon, the buck stops at VWAP no matter what. The most powerful on my board is VWAP. So if it's above or below, depending on which trade I'm in, long or short, I don't hold nothing on a break and hold up if I'm shorting and nothing to the downside if I'm holding long. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
The VWAP is the end all be all for everything here.
So if I can translate what you just said, when you said the VWAPs, you're drop dead. So if a candle crashes, just don't let it go beyond that. Don't try to hold past it.
That's correct. So if you're in a long and it's below it, you don't want to be in it, obviously, right? Because below it is bearish anywhere. Above it is bullish. So if it's a break and hold below VWAP and I'm long, you already know you're in the wrong spot, right?